look like you bought another phone. Ill-town niggas are the crazy.
That's that bogey shit, nigga. I know. I was there. Nigga, I know. I was there. Real shit ain't white. Sons of bitches, switches from yelling to mumbling. You ain't a pal of me. My family ties, but not with Mallory. My analogy ain't for salary. As a roll, we out. One more time. Check, check. Check, check. One more time. With a chain representing penitentiaries from Warren Town to Bordentown, from North to Ill-Town, and all you know from life was right, cause the Folsom wasn't driving too fast, I was flying too low. You think I'm rocking too quick, I think you listen too slow. I'm erupting, constructing a bump in assumption. You diss while your family saying the best shit's in fucking trucking by an obstruction, turning nothing to something from push it to mush it and still ripping every function, fucking it up, bumping it up, jumping the ducks, looking to hump, but jumping the trunk, pump me up. Now niggas are the craziest, Zoo Crew niggas are the craziest, New York niggas are the craziest, Philly niggas are the craziest, LA niggas are the craziest.
Let's just run through it for a second, Ben.
Yes.
I'll get a level on you and stuff.
1 1 2 1 2. Niggas are the craziest, Chi-Town niggas are the craziest, Texas niggas are the craziest, Utah niggas are the craziest. Yo, I can't hear nothing in my ear.
You hear anything at all?
I hear the music, I can't hear myself.
Oh, I didn't punch you in till just then, that's why.
I need to hear myself. Yo, yo, yo. Crazy Texas niggas.
I didn't punch you in yet. Just check it out during the verse, and I'll make you louder if I need to.
Niggas are the crazy. My lyrics be laced with 40 ounces of funk and stuff. You get brushed, you get bust. You call yourself calling my bluff. Enough's enough. I'm putting it down on the real and...
Towards the end, you were more in front of the mic. When you started out, you were a little away from it.
All right.
You're just fooling around, though, right?
Yeah.
Just remember to center in, so make sure, because your voice sounds more clear when you're in front of it.
Yo, yo. Give me some more music in the headphone. My lyrics be laced with 40 ounces of funk and stuff. You get snuffed, you get buffed. You call yourself calling my bluffs. Enough's enough. I'm putting it down on the real, and this one goes out to all the people who be questioning my skill. Niggas, I've been rocking since League 12, and we feel that we build careers are still. So all the rest step up and test, but only stress is what you'll find thinking. Vinny don't write, and Vinny can't rhyme shrinking. The sleeping MC, I eat like good and plenty. Lyrically spanking, yeah, that's why they call me Uncle Vinny. Check, check. Cause I'm way up on this and it's still, my earphones is low.
It's open.
Anybody out there by now, this camera is probably in Queens. One love. One love.
Holy